Here, the question given to us is, there are 100 students in a class. It is found that 60 students study mathematics, 45 students study physics, and 35 students study chemistry. Moreover, 20 students study mathematics and physics, 15 students study physics and chemistry, 25 students studies chemistry and mathematics, and 10 students study none of these subjects. Following other options. So this is also a more than one option correct type of question. Let's solve it. Here we are provided the total number of students, that is t equal to 100, n of t equal to 100, as well as we are given that it is found that 60 students study mathematics. Therefore, number of students studying mathematics is equal to 60, and 45 students studies physics. Number of students studying physics is equal to 45. And 35 students studies chemistry. N of C equal to 35. And also it is given that 20 students study mathematics and physics, and means it is an intersection. Mathematics and physics is equal to 20 students. Now the next value is the students who studies physics and chemistry, which is equal to 15. Physics and chemistry is 15, and the students who studies chemistry and mathematics is 25. Chemistry and mathematics is 25, and it is also given that 10 students studies none of the subjects, which means n of t minus n of m union p union c, which is equal to 10. So from here we can find the value of n of m union p union c, which will be 100 minus 10, that's equal to n of m union p union c, which implies n of m union p union c equal to 90. So according to the options which is shown on the screen, the first option is 95 students study at least one of mathematics, physics and chemistry, which means the number of m union p union c is equal to 95. It's given in the option A, because it's not correct, as we have already found the value of n of m union p union c equal to 90. So thus option A is incorrect. Let's look at option B. It's given 10 students study each of mathematics, physics and chemistry. According to the option B, it's given that n of m intersection p intersection c is equal to 10. So we have to find whether it is true or not. So for that we have studied an equation in our smaller classes, that n of m union p union c equal to n of p plus n of m plus n of c minus n of m intersection p minus n of p intersection c minus n of c intersection m plus n of m intersection p intersection c. So we have to find this value from this equation. So let's substitute the values into this. So here n of m union p union c is 90 equal to n of p is 45 plus n of m is 60 and n of c is 35 minus n of m intersection p is 20, n of p intersection c is 15, n of c intersection m is 25, and the last one, this is the quantity which we have to find, that is n of m intersection p intersection c. So on solving this we get 90 equals to 45 plus 60 is 105. 105 plus 35 is 140. 140 minus 20. Minus 20 minus 15 is minus 35. Minus 35 minus 26 is minus 60. So minus 60 plus n of m intersection p intersection c. So when we subtract 140 minus 60, we get 80. So 90 equal to 80 plus n of m intersection p intersection c. Thus n of m intersection p intersection c will be equal to 90 minus 80, which is 10. So this is the correct one. So option B is correct. Let's look at our third option. It's given that 70 students studies mathematics or chemistry, which can be represented as n of m union c. So this is in the form n of a union b. We have studied this formula. So on expansion we get n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. So substituting the value of a and b as m and c, we get n of m union c equal to n of m plus n of c minus n of m intersection c. Now the value of n of m here is 60 and n of c is 35 and n of m intersection c or c intersection m is 25. So 35 minus 25 gives 10. So 10 plus 60 is 70. So this is correct, as it is given that n of m union c is 70. So option C is correct. Let's look at our last option. It's given 35 students study mathematics along with either physics or chemistry, which can be represented as n of m intersection p union c. Here the students are studying mathematics along with either physics or chemistry. So we have represented it as union. So this is in the form n of a intersection b. So on expanding this equation we get n of a plus n of b minus n of a union b. So here on giving the values m and p union c in the place of a and b, we get n of m intersection p union c equals n of a is n of m plus n of b can be written as n of p union c minus n of m union p union c. So we can just avoid writing this bracket since it is both union here and here. So here we are unaware of the value of this term, that is p union c. So let's find out the value of p union c. So p union n of p union c will be equal to n of p plus n of c minus n of p intersection c. So the answer will be n of p is 45, n of c is 35 and n of p intersection c is 15. So we get 35 minus 15 is 20. 20 plus 45 gives 65. Now let's substitute this value into this equation. Hence we get n of m intersection p union c as equal to n of m value is 60 and we have found the n of p union c value, that is 65, and minus n of m union p union c, that is 90. So we get the answer as 125 minus 90, which is 35. So option D is also correct.
If you like this video, do subscribe and click the bell button.